Now here the question is, Mr. B has two fair six-sided dice, one of whose faces are numbered from 1 to 6 and the second one whose faces are numbered 3 to 8. Twice he randomly picks one of the dice and rolls it. Given that sum of the resulting two rolls is 9, find the probability that he rolled the same dice twice is. Now there are three possibilities. Either he can roll this first die, which is say D1, twice. So it will be this D1 D1, or it could be D1 D2 or D2 D1, or it could be D2 D2. Now probability of choosing first die, it is 1 by 2, and choosing it again is 1 by 2. So it will be this 1 by 4. This probability is also 1 by 4. Now this is 2 times 1 by 4. So it will be 1 by 2. So these three, they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive cases. Now if he has thrown this regular die both times, then the sum could be 9 if it is 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4 and 6, 3. In that case, this probability will be 4 by 36. Now if it is D1, D2, then it could be 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4 and 6, 3. So there will be 6 cases. So then it will be this 6 by 36. And if it is both D2, then we'll have 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4 and 6, 3. So again, it will be this 4 by 36. Now we need to find the probability that he rolled same dice twice. So that means either this case or this case. Now it's a base theorem question. So this probability will be this 1 by 4 into 4 by 36 plus 1 by 4 into 4 by 36 divided by 1 by 4 into 4 by 36 plus 1 by 4 into 4 by 36 plus 1 by 2 into 6 by 36. Now this 4 will cancel. Now this is 3 and this 36 will also cancel. So this probability will actually be 2 by 5. And that's the value of m and n. Now we need to find the value of m plus n. So this m plus n will be simply 7, and that is the answer to this question.